I just got to Mr. Carter and Jeremy's job in Warrenton. Not quite sure what they're doing, but let's go find out.
Justin with Freedom Plumbers, the septic specialist out here. So we came out here the other day. They were having septic backups into their home. It was full of water here. Dug it up, had them pump the tank out. We started cameraing the line. Right now we're going to reroute it, but before we get to that point, the line came this way and around the tree. It was full of roots. So we came down here. We'll show you the distribution box. Found it here. The distribution box is full of roots, and we started cameraing all the header lines. We got 5 lines going out to the septic field down there. All of them are full of roots, collapsed due to the trees and all the big root structure here. So what we're going to do is on the other side of the tree here, we know where the lines are coming out. We're going to dig there and catch the lines on the other side of the tree. Just go ahead and abandon this. We're going to reroute it, come straight out for the distribution box, roughly where the backhoe there is sitting. We're going to run the new 5 header lines down 90 to where they're existing before they go to the drain field.